Greetings, my name is Julius from Ghana. I'm a software engineer. You're welcome to my channel. Today I want to do business with you by introducing to you a supermarket management system called Xpos. Xpos is built on a front end using C#.net and then a back end of MS SQL and then SQL Server. So quickly, this is the Xpos software. Okay, the icon just here. So I double click on that and you see the beautiful splash screen supermarket management system Gbody stores. My number is at the bottom left, so you can just rewind the video and then pause it there, pick my number, add +233 or 00233, that's the postal code for Ghana, and you reach me on WhatsApp. Okay, still on the splash screen you have powered by Xpos. It's just a link to the admin, the system admin's interface. That is my personal interface, and that there I have control to every aspect of the software. Alright, so this page appearing here is the staff login. You can see some two links here, that is the forget password and then the add new user. If you're a new user to maybe the supermarket that has procured the software, the shop administrator would have added your email and then your user level already onto the system. So this email session will just be comparing your email over there, and then you can give your username and then your password, and we are good to go. If the email does not correlate with the email already in the system, you cannot add yourself. Alright, so back to the staff login, we have forget password here. You have forgotten your password. The email session here will just receive your email and then compares it to the email already in the system. If it is correct, then you can reset your user details here and you are fine. Alright, so back to the staff login again. Let's quickly log in to see what we have there. Entering our username, which is a correct one, me, and then our password, which is also a correct password, but let me adulterate it a little. Let's add another T here. So this is a wrong username, correct password. So I sign in, it does not allow me to. Okay, so back to a correct username and then a wrong password. It still does not sign me in. That is great. So back to correct username, correct password, and bingo, it signs me in. At the left hand side here, you see menus in Ash, and you see they are repeating. Okay, you can see registered product here and you still see registered product here. That is just because the credentials I've used in logging in are for an admin, and so it presents every aspect of the system to me, and those menus here in Ash are for the warehouse aspect of the software, and those in white here are the supermarket part of the software. Assuming I am a salesperson, then I just get to view only this side, and then if I am a warehouse operator, and then I just get to view this sides of the software. And even these menus, part of them can be hidden depending on the ones that the administrator would want the salesperson or the warehouse operator to see. The entire interface you're seeing here is just your sales front, okay, where you make your sales. Now coming to this left panel here, this is where you scan the barcode, and immediately you scan, the products appear in this dashboard. So I have automatically scanned like that. Let me take another product, let's say 111, and it appears there. So another 1222, it appears there. So 333, it appears there. So I want to increase maybe the quantity of a particular product, just update its quantity by doing this. Okay, good. Now maybe I want a quantity of 2 for 333, it goes through. So let's say 111. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, so that was just a mistake there. Okay, so you have the product entered inside your sales dashboard, so it automatically adds them for you. If you add all of these, you should get 30. All right, so if you want to clear from the bottom, you just use this button to clear one by one. If you want to clear the entire dashboard here, then you just use this. These indicators here give you information on the total well-being of the shop. So the number of items you've sold today, the products on the shelf, product with long lifespan, short lifespan, then the expired product. So you can see cream crackers here is expired, and the number of cream crackers expired on the shelf is 19, and you can see that the figure is just here. All right, and the date is corresponding. So moving away from the sales front, you have products. This is the void transaction interface. So maybe a user, a client comes to buy some items and does not want the entire purchase again, so you can just receive the receipt and scan it and then void that entire transaction. Maybe there is this single item on the list that the customer does not like. The supermarket manager can receive that item back. Okay, but receiving of items is based on shop to shop. It should fall within their policy, so that room is just made there for those supermarkets that would want to kind of do that particular thing. Coming back to the left panel here, so you see that this button will toggle these two panel. All right, so this one is just for items that cannot be barcoded, let's say orange, lettuce, and all of that. Okay, if there are some product in the shop you do not deem to kind of barcode, or that does not come with a barcode, you can sell them using this front. Okay, so let's go to the register product. So over here you can register new product. Let's say a product like 100, barcode 100, so that's BIGO. So it fetches the BIGO out of the system, it fills the description area for you, the category area for you. Then all you are left to fill is the quantity you are entering now into the system. You put it there, the current market price. So if it's now increased to 3 Ghana cedis, then you now put that there and then fill in the expiry date. So that is it. And then there are some product, let's say a mug or furniture that does not expire. So if you just click on the non-expiry, so you see that this is deemed out. Okay, all right, so our BIGO expires, so we just leave this one like that. Good. So if I enter this one, it tells me that the previous price was 2 Ghana cedis and then the current price is 3. So do you want to increase all of them to the current market price? Yes, it makes business sense. So yes, so it enters my BIGO there for me. Now this front will just help you to edit whatever information you have here. The administrator has the right to kind of prevent editing to those he wants to. The same here for the deletion of items here. So the administrator can prevent deletion of items for a period of time. So once 1 hour or 2 hours has elapsed, there is no way you can delete. These are things the administrator can set in the system. All right, so let's get to the product list. So these are your product list. This is your precise view, and then we have the detailed view. All right, so you can search items here. Let's say cream cracker. So you see cream crackers, just it brings all the cream cracker here. Okay, so back to the precise view cream cracker, so you see that it brings that one also. So the list of finishing products is here for you. Your expiring product is here for you in details. Items you want to receive from, so if there are new items sent from the warehouse, so all the computers in the department are linked or networked using a cat cable. So if items are being sent from the warehouse manager will just inform you, and then you can receive those items with just a click of a button here. But then there are no currently pending, there are no items to be received. So this button here, the button here that should help you to receive those items have been hidden. Alright, so this is your sales report, the end of day, that is the past day and the days before. So you can fetch the end of day from any day, the end of month, and you can reduce the years, reduce the month, and you are good to go. You can fetch reports, the custom, so you can fetch at the beginning of the day to the end of a particular day, so to the current time you are in. Alright, so that is that. Let me see, I think we've made, yeah, so we've made sales of 2 Ghana cedis. Okay, so that is fine. So this is the administrators front. So these are the users already on the system. Okay, so this is where the admin can add a new user, edit user details, remove user. This dashboard will just clear every data and render the whole supermarket fresh. It means there are no items. The supermarket is about to start operations from scratch. Okay, so this restore button would restore any data you have mistakenly deleted. So even if you delete, it doesn't entirely just leave the system, it has been stored somewhere. This recycle bin, it looks more friendlier than this one. So this one will delete products from your products table, but then leave the quantities at 0. Okay, so these as well are other settings. As you can see, when you are doing the sales, you can hide some things, make some orders read only. If you are interested in getting the software, I'll do more detailed explanations for you. So these are menus you can hide and show. These are your timelines for editing and display timelines. Okay, so you want to, your databases are, let me say, are packed with data. You want to delete them year by year, so you can just do that using this one. All right, so the generate barcode, you see that it has 2 buttons here, warehouse and then shop. Okay, just because I am in the admin session, so if I were a salesperson, I would only have this interface for the shop. Okay, so I have a particular item that doesn't naturally come with a barcode, so I want to barcode it, and similar items are already in the system. I can just fetch them for you, and then I can just input their names here, and then their description, and then I can print a number of words. I can generate the barcode which is already in the system. Okay, a similar one. If it is coming new, then obviously the system would automatically generate a new barcode for me. So again, this is your help interface. So this would give you information on every aspect of the system and how to use it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I would want you to purchase the software and use. It's very good. Most Ghanaian supermarkets are using this system. You can also try that. Give me a call. I'm on WhatsApp. I'll leave my number in the links section. Thank you very much. and have a beautiful time.